If I click on this fetch products button, then you can see here we have the number of products fetched from an API. So today we are going to create this intermediate level functionality. Welcome to 24th video of World JavaScript Series. So here we are adding this add event listener for DOM content loaded. And then here we are getting the reference to our 4 HTML elements. And after that on our fetch button, we are adding the event listener. So whenever we will click this button, it will call the fetch products function. If you take a look on our HTML file, so here on this fetch products button, you can see this ID as fetch products. And then here we have this fetch products function. And here we are utilizing this async to later use this await. And here we are making our API call. To do the API call, here we are using this fetch. And here it is sending a get request to our fake store API to fetch the 5 products. If the response is not okay, then we will throw this error. So whatever the response that we have, we are storing it inside the products variable. For the concept of this async and await, I have already created many videos. But for now, you can think of it like await pauses the execution until the request completes. And then we are calling this display products function where we are passing our products. And here we have the code in case our API does not work. So it will show that error message. And here we have our display products function. So here we have the logic for the stars that we have inside the product cards. After that, this is how we are creating our product card. And later we are appending it to products container. So with the help of this for each loop that you can see here. So for each product, we are creating the product card and appending it to the products container. Okay, so this was the whole logic where I have focused more on the API call. In case you need this code, then GitHub repository link is present inside the description of this video. Now, before we take a look on our UI, there is a request. Please share this video with your friends and don't forget to drop a like. And here we have the UI.